Well, there's many things that I would notice and somebody that's not in the field would not notice.
The effort behind the scenes, the troubleshooting, the teamwork,
Perfect alignment of all doors and drawers.
the figuring out everything and implementing and developing new construction parameters, the
way the boxes are installed on site, the fact that everything is leveled and shimmed to perfection. Something that I might notice, but somebody else might not. Again, everything that's behind doors and drawers. The adjustment of the boxes, the way they're screwed together, and the fact that I always like to cap all the screws, all the little holes that are left from when the cabinets are all installed. The fact that I'm putting the caps matching the grain of the boxes.